Hey everyone, today we're diving into something a lot of people are curious about. What happens when you fast for 36 hours? We'll cover everything from weight loss to muscle preservation, gut health, and even the challenges you might face like hunger cravings and electrolyte imbalance. Stick around till the end to learn how to maintain balance during a fast and what to do afterward. So, what happens in the first 12 hours of fasting? During this time, your body is still using up the energy from your last meal, mostly in the form of glucose from carbohydrates. You're still in the fed state here. As insulin levels fall, your body prepares to switch from using glucose to tapping into stored energy, but it hasn't fully done so yet. During these early hours, you might feel mild hunger as your body adjusts. Once you hit the 12 to 24-hour mark, things start to change. Your body's glycogen stores, which are stored in the liver and muscles, are running low. When this happens, your body starts breaking down fat for energy. This is the start of fat burning, which is a major reason why fasting can lead to weight loss. The body taps into stored fat reserves for fuel, and this process continues as long as you stay in a fasted state. Now, you might be thinking, doesn't fasting lead to muscle loss? It's a valid concern, but interestingly, during a short-term fast, like 36 hours, your body releases human growth hormone, which helps preserve muscle mass. HGH is responsible for protecting your muscles and ensuring that while you're burning fat, your body doesn't break down too much muscle tissue. This is one reason fasting for 36 hours is often considered safe when done occasionally without significant loss of muscle. Between 24 to 36 hours, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body starts converting fats into ketones, which act as an alternative fuel source, especially for the brain. People often report experiencing enhanced mental clarity and focus during this phase. Your brain is using ketones for fuel, which some people find provides sharper concentration. Let's talk about your gut. During fasting, your digestive system gets a much-needed break. This downtime allows your gut lining to repair itself, especially if it's been under stress from processed foods or overconsumption. Fasting also triggers autophagy, a cellular cleaning process where your body removes damaged cells and proteins, including in your gut. This helps to improve overall gut health and can even reduce inflammation. One challenge during a fast, especially in the first 24 hours, is hunger cravings. As your body adjusts to fasting, levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin can spike, making you feel hungrier. But interestingly, as you go beyond 24 hours, those hunger pangs tend to decrease. Your body adjusts and ghrelin levels stabilize, making the fast easier to handle. A good tip is to drink water or herbal teas to manage those cravings. Here's something really important: electrolyte balance. When you fast for 36 hours, especially if you're only drinking water, your body can lose essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This can lead to symptoms like dizziness, fatigue, or muscle cramps. To prevent this, make sure to stay hydrated, and you might want to add an electrolyte solution to your water or consume natural sources of electrolytes like broth. It's essential to maintain a balance to avoid feeling weak during your fast. When it comes time to break your fast, you don't want to dive into heavy, greasy meals. Your digestive system has been resting, so start with something light and nutrient-dense like fruits, vegetables, or lean proteins. This will help your gut ease back into digestion without overwhelming it. So, let's recap. Fasting for 36 hours can lead to some great benefits like weight loss, mental clarity, improved gut health, and even muscle preservation thanks to the release of HGH. However, it's important to watch out for electrolyte imbalance and manage your hunger cravings wisely. Fasting isn't for everyone though. If you have any health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor before trying extended fasts. And remember, balance is key. Fasting can be a powerful tool, but overdoing it can lead to unwanted side effects like slowed metabolism or nutrient deficiencies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and science content. Let me know in the comments if you've tried fasting and how it worked for you.